To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
She thought her man was something she owned, but nothing is ever what it seems. Remember, life is not a dream. He was drifting and she's trying to hold on. Fear of losing him filled her mind till she crossed that line. A child can't keep a man from leaving. Love can't survive unbeaten. Forbidden love is a dangerous thing. Somebody always ends up feeling hurt, no matter how hard you try to make it work.
Yeah, auntie. Everything alright so far. Well, basically, the only thing I want is a partner. I feel like me have him already. He nice, but I don't really see him for when because he's kind of busy. But we talk when we're ready. Bulby, I don't know Bulby there, you know say him not stay a yard, you know say him a man will always dep on road. Yeah. When he come me tell him say forgive a call or something. No sir. Bulby live a yard. Bulby live and he come like saying a live here. Because how comes one man for live in a house and a knife does so? I be a woman living there then. Asha. And you know say Bulby not like do not. You know saying lazy all of them look something there. Normal. Alright, you look my cousin them for me, so me talk to you later. Auntie, no, auntie. Me and him not talk about that yet. When me see him, we talk about that. We not talk about marriage and this and the auntie you love jumping in marriage too much. Alright, later. Yeah.
I like your face, I can't comfortable.
Not really, kinda. I'll be honest with you.
So what cause that? Everything good in nobody worries them stresses about nothing, you know. Never meet a woman, hey, like a long time I don't really fall in love with a woman I know so boy, yeah. A woman that have my heart from start, you know what I mean? It's special thing where them always talk about, me not know about butterfly business, but me I talk about the real special thing. And that me feel with you.
I just hope all of this way I say it's true.
If it's true business. You don't
You're
know.
only talking with something to believe.
No, but, so you don't know? Me not know youth are rude, you know. And you more have me first youth with.
You don't have no youth or
No, me not know youth.
You're sure about that?
I mean, say me sure about that. Me can't know youth are rude and I run and say me want a serious relationship and want to settle down.
You know how when me go start now when me look somebody that comes me not depend that, you know, me
You say
not back and
somebody
forth.
can come to you, my woman, no, and come talk certain things. I'm mad. My woman have to stay and then yo, me tell you this, you can post me on any platform you want to post me on.
If they come fight me?
Nobody not fight. Let me try to nobody not fight you. But me know you're not that kind of person, but post still.
No.
So that was good. But me I say, long and short, if you choose one day, if you post upon your birthday and something, brother, hey, yo, sure, know me feel for you.
Me know I just that me don't want to disgrace myself.
I'm not disgrace, but just like never fall in love and feel away. You understand me? I say? Like one ball star.
Me have feelings straight, but me just want to make sure it's real.
If he's a crocodile, Jesus. But the only thing for you, man, I just want to know, say, one day we can get a youth and create one that special bond because, you know, there's no way we can have a woman I'm plan to spend the rest of my life with. And yeah, we in love, but if we make love and still love and walk up and down, which is we youth.
Just promise me say you won't hurt.
Oh, you mean not hurt your baby? I will never, never hurt my baby. If I hurt you, I hurt myself. I'm no wicked like that. I said, that love your smiles. Nobody tell you about you smiling.
No.
I will make sure because nobody talk about me, man.
Please.
You understand? For me, I mean. And me?
You wanna know?
That me a talk about. That me a talk about. One woman, you know what I mean? Because I guess I'm a one burner, you know, I feel proud to be a one burner. Some man, like, if you tell me I'm a one burner, I feel disrespected. You know what I mean? But guess what? Me have one fault, baby.
What is that?
Everybody, you see, everybody come with factory fault. You understand me? I say, I know say you have one, but you know where you go or what it is, but long and short, me go work it out. I love drink rum.
Every man love drink rum.
Not like me.
You not smoke?
No, I don't smoke. I don't like smoking thing. The Bible says don't use your nose hole of that chimney. You understand?
So that's rum drinking?
That's the rum. I remember saying rum my first miracle God created, you know, just turn water into wine. And I believe that. You
Can't work on that.
You can't work on that. No, we're good. But why you moving with me? So, yeah, why you moving because I don't really want you to talk far from me because, you know, far.
Move.
Listen, you know how much gas me burn to come here. Jesus Christ. Oh God, we come here and then, yo, trust me.
What about my mom? You want me to move in? Like,
I'm to your mother.
where
You
am I
might live
live?
your life, you know. A time you live your life and spread your wings. Spread your wings! Yeah. That's what I think. Because right now, I think she wouldn't go spread her wings and live. You know that's the why she have you. If she never spread her wings right now, you're not born. I mean, you have no youth. But I think. And you want a youth. What you want first, boy or girl?
Boy.
That's it. Yeah. Perfect.
What do you think about the movie? You have to give me something.
No problem. I remember saying that.
You have to get something sorted out at first before me just
Jump up on.
Yeah.
No problem, babe. We take your time. But it's just that. Actually, budget. You know, the budget kind of terrible. Sometimes we come up with 3,000 gas we have to spend and basket them terrible and ammunition.
I hear you say, I understand.
Sometimes you come down from the flat, you know, live life like a real queen.
You're full of already.
And a word that truth. You know what I mean? So, you know, the Bible saying a lion lips is an abomination unto the Father.
Just
so
make sure you not tell no lie.
No, I don't do that. You understand? All them people are born in July and I lie them, you know. Glad I'm born in July. You know me born?
Which month you born?
Yes. Best month I hear.
September?
No, so your mother devil them that man. Devil born in September.
August?
No. You know, August tapos.
March.
No, March.
Then just tell me.
A month where Cupid shoot his arrow. Cupid, run back your February, baby. I'm born on February 14th, Valentine's Day. And so I know say, you know, love is very important in the Bible.
Nobody with that now.
Yo, love important, I tell you. And I'm why you know say me emotional. You know, and that's the next part. You know? It's me emotional, but I just want good thing. Just want good vibe. Me feel good.
I feel like you talk the truth, cause just by your expression,
Yes, baby.
you understand.
Alright, you think we need to get out?
What?
You like ice cream and cake?
Yes.
Cheesecake?
Yes.
My favorite. So I said, we can buy some cheesecake and, fly back
Okay.
home. Yeah, your mother still running?
Yes.
We can buy some for you. Or I can buy pudding for you. Buy some pudding. Some kind of pudding, not sure. Yes, ma'am.
How go on, you look so.
Okay.
See, I feed the face, I couldn't left one of them something for me.
A $500 I pay for them.
Where you buy them?
Up on the road.
Out on the road.
Me live in our house, Bolby. And I can't believe say knife then do so. You can't sharpen the knife.
But
You're a man, you're a man like us, you know?
Yeah, but me not see I use knife. Only time you use knife when you get mango and you look at fruit. Them you ever see I cut up meat for no sharp knife? Not even vegetable, never see they cut it knife before.
Alright, don't. I don't know you're going so far.
I mean, cause you get buy the mango them and then you go tell me about no a 5 days a pay for them. And you know, and you see here you say, Bulby, you live in a house town. So yeah, me know me live in here, so you couldn't
Alright,
afford them
Bulby,
for
you
me.
can't do now, you know. I'll simple something I said to you.
Yeah, but me I say something to you, me couldn't left one of that for me.
Alright, left one out. Alright, guess what? I want to talk to you about something. Your friend.
Me say if you couldn't left one of them there for me, you tell me about my friend. You couldn't left one of them there for me.
Your friend, Isis. What going for him?
Isis. What happened to him?
He not respond to me like he not talk to me like he would normally talk to me. Me not see him. Me don't know what go on. What go on.
I say Isis busy for one day. One day I'm busy certain way, you know.
Oh. But instead you can shop me one text and tell me what go on and so forth. I'm not afraid to hide from me and then look at something there. I can't talk to you for me.
You can talk to him for you, know, but
what?
I go try my best to talk to him, make you know what go on. Cause what you know? You see, Chew is a busy man and I'm busy myself. Yeah, so when we link up, we just only thing we start do a drink more while we leave time for catch up certain. We only catch up upon the rum them. So when we see him, if me remember, me make you know see they check for him same way.
Oh, the catch up on the room them. You see the type of lifestyle we want to live?
When I say from auntie.
Oh, you know somebody that talked to her not too long. And she asked me for you, I tell her she going on the road.
And when auntie say I send the next food.
Bolby. She say me, she go send the money this time, yeah? And when I want to give you, I must give it to you. Because every time you get money, you're shopping my money.
No, so really, wait there. So you really go to auntie with argument?
Me not go to her with argument. She asked me how much me get and I tell her and she said, no, you should have get more than that. So you are shopping my money. So she said next time she go send me the money. And me
no,
share
I don't
it.
really that in a true. Isis tell me say I want the money for borrow, you know.
So why you never tell me that?
Then that me I tell her no.
No, but you never tell me that before.
No, because you never ask.
But me never know how much
But
me
you never
forget.
ask.
I didn't know how much me forget.
You never have to know if you never ask.
You know, say, for your big brother, you have a low self-esteem. You know that? Me no say I care about my feelings, you know. And me always I look out for you as look one now.
You know, more than advice if you do, learn to cook.
She thought her man was something she owned, but nothing is ever what it seems. Remember, life is not a dream.
So go on, bad chap.
Them there, dog. Feast and it's somebody else I fall, but I pray.
They you know say I want bar me afford from dog and you know say you like them something yeah.
You say for me this?
Yeah dog.
You mean dog, that do me good in the other day.
You know, say in a real life though, dog, I never really diss me. Come to your boy though still. You know, say, today my sister, me know say, nah, link her certain way and thing, bro.
Dog, as I chat about that still, dog. You want to sit to your friend, dog, cause I know say friend them time, dog, when say, oh, you know,
No way
you
out.
could call my boy, and if you look at sister, and if you look for my sister, them dog, and some style, my boy, but me tell us, dog, you know, I think that's happened, dog, I'm kind of, you know, I'm kind of happy for no say that they even pre-thing now, you know,
No, you're mad, bro. Me can't pre no way, cause remember, you know, we are brother for a long time, you know, but watch on a man.
But in a real life, dog, I just choose to let you, dog, I lift me pre for lift up for yourself, you know, dog, cause but one link in the dog, way, dog, have a farm work link them in my boy, and you know that me even had to not look not too serious to the sister neither, dog. Me don't want to think so no way, bro, you know.
No, me understand that certain. No, listen, bro, me understand that certain way, you know, but watch on a man, you still have to go to she and make she know where you depend, and make she know where you depend and where you're standing, though. Cause watch on the end idea, you know, and me she a come to with argument, you know.
I go to him, I call back my phone right now. Dog, if you want to talk to me from man, my friend. Come like I stress you, but me tell you, in a real life still, I drink with the so I go and drink in a dog, you know. So I don't even want to put my brain on that too much, me dog, you know.
No, then we are the cause. Cause remember we don't say bro code, you know, and me know say that go take it this far, but still, as me tell her before, just go talk to her and make she know certain pray. Cause me and brother for a long time, and me know say certain things make certain things happen certain way. But watch out now, we still not pray that. Just make mama know what really a go on. And make mama know say yo, you know, and you tell her, you same way you make sure me certain prayer, tell me say your name ready, you know. You just make sure you know that same way cause
yeah, if you know say your sister kind of program different thing that, you know, you listening to that.
But still make she know I go at least at least she can't say you never make she know.
So sometimes I'm talking, I'm just making talking, brother. You know? Baby,
nah, man, pray that still, but still and still, how you think I go, how money thing I go, for your side?
Boy, you know, so dog, them I go on normal, my friend, because piece of dog, me wait for a little juvenile if you can't come give me. That's what I see a while ago. When I time I feel like, say, I'm a forward, you know? Yeah. But.
So what go on for your party, what keep what here? What go on for them, you not keep nothing more, you just make it job, so dog, what go on?
Brother, trade even on you. Dog, remember saying, what do you tell me say you want to keep party? More than I did neither, but if I want to try that the car, you either go around and support everybody party, my friend. And I buy all 2-3 back of them party, my friend. When I see a time, they not come. And if they do come, they come buy 2 dragon and 2 beer, my friend.
No,
you know, just to make out the money, what they have to spend. When they go in and spend all 3 times that, brother. So they promote. Sometimes, brother, be a loses dog right now. Some weed, me the pray for going right now, dog.
Weed business?
Yeah, dog, or farming or something that they go sell some ginger or some yam or something, my boy, car. Party thing already work, my dog, but you know, say bar go active up back still, you know. Yeah, man, cause today I walk and see him, you know, see you know.
That no sound bad. Cause
that's why I want a piece of bread, cause get a piece of bread, we can call the dog, the man say, alright, come kick it off full force and you know.
Boy, me not like you still now, cause me not too tired with you still now. Even though we have a drink and thing, but me not too tired with you, cause.
Do you have to do, man, cause that's I'm gonna give your sister a link, dog.
Yeah, man, just make link her, dog, and make sure you know what's what and where you depend and where they in your head, bro. Cause me know your things setting. Remember, we are man now, cause.
Yeah, dog, I try to share, so I'm not really, and I say, me no want, but sometimes, brother, we don't want to bring my stress in a film, you know. You know what I mean, dog?
Overstand, dog. Overstand.
I just want to time, but daddy. See like I bought this after.
Channel me are right. Look come on.
Active. Jaja, you.
Then right.
You know, long may wait to see you, daddy.
How that nigga there?
I'm a little dog, man, you know. Yeah. Not good, man. So I say I go on for me, you know. Yes, I can go on. I don't see you walk with nothing.
You're not active yet. That's a problem. But
yeah, don't tell me say a story you're coming now.
And a story time, brother. You know what I mean?
Right now that me look, and I see look bad, right, me feel stressed out right now, daddy. See, I come like a rain I go fall. Come like a God I feel me pain right now, daddy. So the place get clouded up. But where I say I go and still my teacher?
Bees not bite me, so I tell you, say, long and short.
I mean, bees are going to bite?
No, man, you ever know.
Sure.
You see, there's going to be an extension. I'm going to say extension 1 week because some people never follow their own robin.
Yeah.
So certain people never really say the boy them never active, who say they sick, who this and that, cause he flew up around and all them something there.
Oh.
You understand? So we all get back our money properly. So and one thing we have to feel demotivated and feel like it's not gonna work, it can't happen.
Cause I'm saying I'm going to thing.
I know, brother, I tell you so. Understands everything will all right. See, you get a 5 bills, you get a $500,000, brother. Cash. Right. You understand? Ah, man, start smiling now, bro.
That more here, brother. That more here, brother. You understand?
Get a girl and go on to you, you know what I mean?
No, I'm going to link more about you. I don't even want to walk flat foot, because you know, some more than Bexy there, you know. Because that dog, the medical man, so I program from what day, man.
What is you go chunky one day?
Yeah, I have mom's brother that. I tell you,
I know some nigga in you. Come here, say to myself, say your roots. But I couldn't forward, you know, right away for no some boy. I this, so. Oh, yes, man. So you say,
no,
the fat up here. Brother, breed people in, brother. I'm tell you something about this life. One life to live, one life. Listen to me, first. Yeah, but me I tell you, that's for go on, brother. You can't go on like say, what you want done? What you want done?
Tarzan, brother. That we can't have you and can't take care of you, brother.
Brother, I'll take care of them because you have the money, you have 500,000 soon forward. 1 week extension, so everything good.
Well, that's true.
Right now, if you hold and breed, brother, no girl nothing forward from fear black. I ain't know happy and say, yeah.
No,
Marky, Stampy, brother, send out.
But I say, I'm true, I dog sister. I say, first and foremost, I have to go to for morning. But I say, can't cock up up on the lane, daddy, and you know.
You're a puppy or your dog?
But I want to hold it down.
You're a puppy or your dog?
A real big dog. Real big dog. And I like.
Who you come, brother? Sleep, you sleep. Yo.
I piece of money, me there wait for
that. So the money not, brother. Don't worry about it. If I have money, I worry about everything, alright. You don't know, so me. Yo, I really want to style, brother.
Brother, you know what I'm saying, sir? I drink around 2 bottles of water till the water them dead and I feel dehydrated.
I see you drink a Guinness.
I can't call Guinness. I call if a Guinness because I'm flat foot right now. I say I'm not left till I see her.
Oh.
If I them tell me link and tell us what I say. Oh, that's my friend that time.
I'm past China, man, I buy it to you. But yeah, Baba, everything good, man. Let me say, everything going mucho caliente. Because I don't know, say, boy, them people are just because circumstances. And when them say so, I saw it go for true. Are reliable people. You understand me? I say?
So it's 1 more week. So, that means I'm not have to do nothing. I just ready up my place then.
That is it, brother. Oh, yeah, yes, sir.
I'm not pray, but I don't know if the place is ready by next week. But we'll see what can go on, daddy.
Alright.
If I don't just set up 2 places at a plyboard, man, and just bar and restaurant, you know, make it work.
What I pray still, see, is that, like I can get 500,000. You couldn't let me 250 me invest in something and we can flip it and give back at 750.
Man, I'm not telling you 250 because it's steep still in there.
2 bills then.
You couldn't take 150?
No, 150 can't work. 150 can't go a shop. You hear me I say? 250 and you sure you're 750.
170. 175.
Alright, 2 bills.
Where's that? 190?
2 bills. Just got 2 bills and done. Just flat. Just screw you off, even it out. You know what I mean?
So how long you going to take before you flip back that press break?
Alright, so in this week I fall off now. And we'll get the 500,000, give me 250,000, 250,000. No, 2 bills, that's right? 250 on my brain, but I say, you know, me kind of. So you give me a 200,000 now. Give me back one next 2 weeks.
And you say a 750.
And you get a 750 in
sure.
your pocket. Brother.
But if I see 5 bills still, I can't.
How long you know me?
Yeah,
how long you know Chunka?
A long time I know you supposed to be.
How long you know Chunka, brother?
We never do them business ahead.
But with the bigger business where you get millions, brother. Remember saying that 9 to 5 can work for you.
No, but I'm kind of frustrated in that. You know, when I'm hungry, my head no work right now.
Yeah, I'm some food, man. Yo, listen, man.
We do what? Yeah, we do what?
Alright, link up.
I'm fresh, brother, come I can understand me.
Link up, mom, she cook something for you then.
Oh.
That's how you see.
That's how you jam and
that's how you
look, brother. And he come like say, this man come to me, they tell me be a thing. And he come tell me about breed. Come like I probably not put me in there.
No matter say that, but you have to stamp. Brother, yes, when I get a letter, you can't send off a letter with a stamp, brother. That's not active. You understand me I say?
But me on a post office. No,
that me I say. Exactly. So you stamp a letter and send off it. So when you send off it, brother, you know, say boy, I look up. You know, ISIS are run around and thing. Then you don't know, say you're a clown and thing. You answer me, I say, brother, I'm tell you, see me?
Man,
Yo,
give me feel not cheap.
you see every
Give me feel
lane.
not cheap.
You see every, yeah, brother, that's
Tell
why
her that,
you know, breed no idiot. You know, breed no mongrel. Brother, you see every lane of me check in pan. That favor like a youth, I run up and down. That me tell myself. A Bob Marley style, brother. Wicked and wild. You know that?
So then they are now.
They mean so then them active. Them mama take care of them. No busy with them.
Father's Day, Pastor Day, what should I call him?
Father's Day good, man. Father's Day never celebrated yet. Father's Day one of the worst day in our life. Yo, remember me tell you, you ever see certain people say Father's Day? So that's why I tell you, say, if you know as a man, if you say, boy, you're going to be a good father, and you get that the response, why sense? No receipt, brother. You go shop and get a receipt.
Watch
that thing.
Watch it in a real life.
Yeah.
Moms are so tired even ready at neither that. The man try to show you, say, what you tell me, say, you don't understand, you know, I say, I'm in a situation with her, you know.
Moms are working girl, you know.
If you say I work alone.
Moms are working girl, you know.
You ever seen a house yet? You ever seen a film?
Moms are, brother,
you ever seen a room yet?
No.
You ever
How you want me to see it?
Brother, me see
you want me check in?
Brother.
Me check in, you check out,
if
check
in. No wrong. Go on. You and your brother have that over there. Go on.
Oh, my brother good, man, brother. Yo,
right now, if you ever somebody cook rice and you soap wash it yet? At that you want me to circle down in a brother?
But they clean.
I eat that thing, brother. Yo, what's your man? You mess, man. That's not
rice like clean, brother.
That's not money, man.
Brother, all right, you mess.
I move my preference.
More you understand, so you see me?
Right now, Guinness at work for me right now. I'm hungry, you know.
You mess, man.
Hungry right
listen
now.
Listen, long and short.
Move me want more friends.
Yeah, I get the money. But listen me, I say.
So even 5,000 for you can
breathe. Breathe, girl.
Man.
And stop going. All right.
So it's poverty I'm living
and a poverty, brother. She a working girl. Let me explain
get 500. That's enough. Me never get 500. You go get one half five.
You get 300.
Me go get 300. You see, you make sure you cut down for me money for me.
No, me I tell you what go on.
You even make me cut it down, you know. So yes, I make 300,000.
This a week, next week I
breed woman, pan 300,000.
No, she a working girl, you know, remember the part there.
So when you breeding, in God can work with my breed?
What you mean, brother? Get but I don't call it.
Are we square this stuff?
Listen me, I say, man. Every woman will have a work. Them get them paternity, them paternity pay, brother. They stay there, yeah, brother. She got the money can take care, invest in somewhere else, you know. And my style, like, brother.
You messing.
Follow the back. One baby now.
You messing now. You messing now. No disrespect, but you are going. So you just give me business advice. Not give me no life advice. Because you have around 13 to 12 pitney, daddy. And if I say none of them will link up on father.
16. Watch what you say, brother. 16 pitney, brother. One to your brother.
Man, not give me life advice. Just give me money advice.
Money, because
me know come to money. You're a money maker. I know that.
You know that, brother. It's some money you know.
It's a 5 bills that.
It's a 5 bills.
Just give me 5 bills on them, man. You can't buy a one party.
Brother, disrespect for give brother 5 bills, brother.
No, man, I know, man, but that's soft, man. We can't buy a one party dog. Watch out, man, because I'm fresh right now still. See how go on. Just link me, daddy. See? Oh,
do your thing.
Right.
Me just eat one mango, and the mango come like say it a go run me belly. A long time like mango, you know. Right now bathroom me I go use. Me come and find for me I go bathroom. I never know, because I don't really move close with them like that, you know, so I don't really know what going on in their life. Yeah, as we say, yeah, because I'm tired, so I'm talk to you later. Me call her back. Aye.
Judge God is on different. You know what I say? You feel always keep your door locked. You see it on the lock here. What?
Come here, son.
What?
Come here, son.
What?
You just come off the road, no.
And what?
What? You not talk to Isis? What am I
See
saying?
him one at a time, them with you, and I tell him what go on, man. You know what? Yeah, I see him since something, man.
So tell me
I'm
what am
telling
I
you.
saying now? What,
You know, say I
what?
tell me say him busy and something from what they do in a real life. Cause all me must say so tap see more than so right now. So him busy.
Oh, I understand. You know, say I must something like that. Because why am I not even know what to say?
So when auntie send the money.
You come back on it
Then
again,
you want
baby.
information, you have to pay me for every information you want. And
Me and your
every-
sister and me and your baby sister as that. And every time I talk to you about something, you want money from
So
me?
me ask you, so no money you want me look for you. So no, you're not baby again. You
What
have
you mean?
give me money.
What you mean? You a look man for me?
Then where you
Then me
say-
and the man not they talk already.
So yeah, you and the man talk. So where you send me go ask him things for you. But give me your money and I tell you everything. Me not hitch next time. Me just tell you before
So me
me
have to pay you
reach.
for
Me
you give
tell
me
you.
information.
As me reach, me tell you the details them. As me reach, me have to tell you everything when you tell me. Say me don't even want hitch again. Just
I don't really going to take your money. You don't never get the money from me if you give me information. If you don't want to give me the information, take it on me and me.
alright. Me dey go tell you something. Me have something in mind. When me dey want to tell you when you tell me, tell you say about you see
Tell
true. Me
me
fi go
now.
near me.
Alright, me I'll give you.
You go near me.
Me I'll get money, me I'll get money.
No, me have to see something. They say, yeah man, me have to see something. Something even want.
When me go work tomorrow and they come back home, me drive money. Me not
Tomorrow
money,
me
all
tell.
me feel.
Tomorrow me tell you. Tomorrow me tell you. Only thing me remember at the moment how me tell you say already. So tomorrow when you have your money, me tell you what to tell you.
So
say,
tomorrow remember all I
everything. Money refresh my brain. Money.
You know, say enough to treat me so my baby sister. What mama they always tell us say, if you take care of me. Now that they say.
You're how old now? You're not past baby stage already.
So
Yeah.
what that have to do?
You're a big girl. That means you have all money. You work. You do things. Pay me for me information.
Alright
time
then.
take to do all of this.
It's alright then, Bulby. Since me have to pay you for everything,
Mm-hmm.
and what point time me I go buy me food later, you know, tell me to buy one food for you. Cause you know about all of my money, you know, at evening time. You know. And morning time, me I buy breakfast for you, you know. Juice in the fridge, everything in the fridge, you know. And then my money spent and buy them, and you then you man drink them more than me, you know. Snacks over there, so.
No, but
you
I
then you man drink
snacks
more than me.
Me buy about couple pack novel. That
Pack
can
novel.
hold me. Me no
That
want
can
snacks.
hold you.
Yeah man, that
Yeah,
can hold
man.
me. At least me can boil water. What you can do?
Don't worry about that.
Yeah, tell Matafa, as you talk, I know. Me just a medzi. You want man, you can cook.
Me not African cook. Listen to me, tap tell life on me. You know some me can cook.
What you can cook? What?
Bulb is
What
just
you
that
can
me not
cook?
have time for cook. You know some me not have time for
At
cook,
time
but
you
you know
can't.
some me can cook.
A time you call it.
Don't do
A
that.
time you want a cookbook. You send time you go work and you come home and you carry money come give me stop and buy a cookbook. I new China we build up. Stop and buy a cookbook and new China we build up. Cause channel, my friend they like cheap food. He like home cook. So you have to go learn.
Me not live with man. Man go
Let me
and
see your
come.
finger. You have to go clip them because you have to go start need flour.
Who go need flour? You're crazy.
So you try to tell me say, you want man and you don't want work for man.
What they have us help for?
Yo, me I go back on the road. Don't even worry about Tanya.
Me not understand. You're busy and you're not even can call me one time.
No, I don't really say can't call in. I feel just remember saying I remember, you know. Me and them really love me and them love a boy then, you know, such me have to stay focused on the grind, you know. And me have to just go and do my thing, you know. I have to just go and do me on the left, you see me?
So what about me? What do you mean you have to go and do you alone?
No, but I mean like if me not sort out myself or me go can sort out you. You know?
Me I hear you. But you must can't even say one time to me say, you know, say me busy. Me call out how much time, about 100 or 1,000 times.
No, I mean I say I call 25 minutes call me sit on my phone. So the time me went down, I tell me feel like I'm sitting there. So you see me. So me see that man there now, he show me I pray, me say alright. I do go circle because I don't really want to pray some way, you know.
Me a hear.
You see me?
Me have something to tell you still.
Go on.
Like, from what day me not feel so good.
I mean,
Like,
flu are growing, you know. Man, you flu they growing more, they must name a coronavirus. Careful, I take it, you know. Yeah.
I love flu.
Oh well.
Like, I miss 2 period. Me have vomit and you know me kind of feel like I want to faint and then look at something there.
Means you're good, means you're pregnant and anything then, man. So you know my father?
What you just said to me a while ago?
Yeah?
No. What kind of girl you take me from? You feel say me a go where you go to club and you buy a little friend from and it's okay? No, what kind of... You feel say more than one man come through this door, yeah?
Hear it.
Answer my question.
Hear it.
Because me want to know where you take me from. Remember saying in the first place, me and you should even involve, you know. Because me didn't tell us say, you're my brother friend, so me enough in and out. And you tell me say, no, me brother friend, me take your brother as, you know. So nothing around you to do a little thing. I know you are going to ask me, who is my baby father? You're mad. You're stupid. You take me for fool. I don't take me for. You feel say I did one night stand, I did all get and go on by your business. Oh, so what make you make me fall for you then? Tell me now. Why? You think say me don't shut up. Shut up. You see when me don't talk, then you can't talk. Don't hey. Not because you see me you say me kinda soft and me talk soft to you, me call me a one nice person. I'm not a nice person. You hear?
Judge you would.
Me not laugh when it comes to certain things.
Judge you would.
What kind of stupidness that you ask me?
So you say I can't talk now?
When me don't talk,
Me can't talk
you
now?
can't talk.
Me can't talk now?
What you have to say?
Me I got something. It's a mud house I come from, escape from come now.
What you mean by?
Me I got something. When me I do a thing, yes, we did say yeah, we're gonna make it one exception, yeah, cause you know, your brother I'm a G like that. You see? Watch her now. When you do a thing, you never use a condom. I'm asking a question now. When we finish, you know, me take off the condom and see everything in a condom. And I drop in a rubbish bin in a bathroom. So how me feel if you're a mad man?
Hey!
You come
What
like
you mean if you're a mad man?
You know, say,
And you're old man me sleep with. Condom can bust. You can drain out a little bit. You don't know what can happen. Yeah, even though you show me in bag, you don't know what happened.
You may say. Because when you tell me that I got I feel like I confess it, I can't confess it, because it's like your conscience is bad, you know. Because I only call me say, you know.
Confess what?
You're pregnant, you know. Because that means say, all along, me say the priest say me free to have a next man. And they call a craft, a jacket, you want to give me?
You want a DNA test? You want a DNA test?
Man, listen to
when
me.
When you get up and get a jacket for?
Listen to me.
Me not have no next man. Ask Bulb
you
if
say
you
time hot.
like
You say time hot. You make me walk come way past the film and foolish. Brother, listen to me now. We need to get a psychiatric evaluation and we'll check your brain. And then circle it back. You dig?
Who forgot get
Yeah,
that?
if you come out of your fantasy world and fall back in reality, how me if you have sexual relations in a protection, the protection never bust or damage. I'm sure you it, you never see not the leak. So how all of a sudden, magically you're pregnant for me? And you're gonna make it look like say me that's just me. Later, yeah?
All the thing I can tell you are for your child.
Oh, I'm telling you. You're calling. Hey, look so.
Me do something me never me never mean to do it, but you know when you just
You ever do something you never feel? When you talk do something you never feel?
remember that.
Come, tell me I listen. Problem solver.
Remember that me I talk to.
And my name again?
I don't have to call him name. Not necessary right now, but yes, me and him.
Listen to me when I slow talking.
Me and him, you know me I talk about we do
Mhm.
that, yeah. And what is protection? And then we go do something.
Hold on. What you say, Educa? Yeah, tell me, but you're not telling me. Come, break it down.
Alright, a condom,
Mm-hmm.
me dey go back feet.
You go back for the...
Yes,
You go back for it.
yes.
For what?
I'm using put inside them.
Why?
No, I just dey feel like I in my one. Because I really fall deep for him. I feel like me want a baby with him.
What you do now? You tell him say you're pregnant? Cause that the man don't mind pitney.
Me tell him, but he ask me how I pick me.
He won't ask her because the man was saying use protectors and I have to ask her.
But I feel me ask me if he want one DNA test. I feel.
So why you don't explain to him what you do?
No, me can't do that. That go drop me standard
What you mean
towards
don't
him.
standard? Show him say you love him.
How me
Say
go do that?
listen, explain to him, say listen, I go back for it. I did that because I feel like you were the one. Here where Mavi said that's the only way you can solve it.
He not talk to me. He walk out for me
Who
today.
don't talk to you either? Me I use protection and you're going to tell me say you're pregnant. Who don't talk to you either?
Suppose a protection boss.
He never burst, so you go back for it.
I don't know, me I forgot try find a way if you tell him.
I say you need well one pitney.
I know somebody well
When you want to use the pitney if you hold him? I saw it sound to me.
Well, not really. But something like that in a one way. But me think me did stupid because he use a condom and then me do that and now he say, oh me pregnant for like he want to take me for one waste girl or something.
Him not gonna believe it. Only way I believe it unless you do a test. But even if you do the test, he will wonder how and he use a protection. So you still have to go explain what happened.
Things can happen. Well, if things can happen.
You just don't want to explain to him what you do.
No, me go feel belittle. Me go feel a way. No, me not feel so that right. I true me trust you and me have confidence in you as a friend. Me come to you and tell you all of that.
Why? You always make some stupid decision, but this is the worst me ever see you do. I swear to God, this is... I don't even know if you tell us right now. The only thing I can tell us is we go pray.
Pray?
God, church,
Not
that's
even
it.
God can help me in this situation that we
God.
are talking about.
Go on to church, go pray about it.
I'm not going to church. God never tell me for God do it.
What you want to do?
I don't know. I just have to find a way to figure out all of this.
Well, I don't have nothing more to say.
Where you go?
Me I go up. You need to think about your business. Go sort out where you sort out and solve the problem. Me tell you what to do already. I have nothing more to say. It's either you talk to him about it or you go pray about it. So you choose.
Fine, go
Till
on.
she
There
crossed
is no
that
help at all.
line. A child can't keep a man from leaving. Love can't survive unbeaten. Forbidden love is a dangerous thing. Somebody always ends up feeling hurt, no matter how hard you try.
What bring you up I say now?
Good evening.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I never come up here yet still, you know.
Yeah, till you come here already.
Yeah, they invite me at the time there when I get invited now.
So you say I go on now.
Something me come for tell you.
What?
Alright. I know you say you pick me enough fear.
You come back for this argument,
Listen
brother?
what me I say no. Listen, just listen.
Mm-hmm.
I know you say pick me enough fear, but I feel I'm 100% sure.
Mm-hmm.
I tell you, you seen that one time we do that?
Mm-hmm.
And you did show me condom, yes, so you come in there, everything.
Like you remember good now.
Yeah.
Say I could with me. And
No,
so you
are
say go on.
you? But you say I did show a condom. Me did go back feet and take out your sperms and insert it in.
See, rotted. Oh, you come up. So with this. So my cousin, how long you take for formulate that story there? You already take man feed that in a youth.
Alright, sir. You feel like I joke me make?
Judge, know that. So,
No, true, you see me and smile. You
no,
feel
one
like I
time,
joke? No,
no, you
serious.
mention it's better just cut it out, man. Cause you come like you lose respect for you, and them sitting there, but you come with man, daddy, bad man, daddy. I may tell us that they just, you may say if I want to help, me can get piece of that, balance yourself, you see me? Alright, but watch out, daddy. You don't feel most of them feel going like say, right?
You come like.
So you have to believe that.
If you want, alright, you know
So
what? No.
we are trying to tell me,
Listen,
say.
you know what? Right now, I don't care no more.
We are trying to tell
If
me,
you
say.
want to believe, you believe, or whatever, but you pick me and feel whether you like it or not.
You know, I feel a man here listening, brother. You tell me, say, take up the thing, huh? No could go, sir, brother. So, could go, sir? I have to Google this, brother, no, sir? How look so?
Alright.
Yeah, alright.
Well, you're not alright. I just go through all it right now, brother.
So what you couldn't go through? Young people like you go through what?
Yeah, something for tell.
Talk now.
I don't know if I say it to you because you're my bigger brother, but I don't hide nothing from you. But
Why this a sound now weird? Like you want to tell me, you don't want to tell me. Make up your mind. Just make up your mind. You want to tell me?
my
Talk to me.
pregnant.
I will breathe you.
You come like you're an idiot or something. You're not stupid question.
Then you just a tell me say you're pregnant out type blues, so. Me not have to ask you how will breathe you.
Alright, let me tell you what really happened. Yeah, me and ISIS do the thing, but in the use protection.
So how you breathe and you use protection? No, for real. How you breathe? How you breathe and you use protection? So I know him breathe then. So him.
I feel him pitney. The thing is, maybe go back for condom and inserting sperms in me.
A joke Aaron, no. A joke Aaron, no.
No, I'm serious.
Me know say look at my dear running in my blood. But me know say you get everything.
What do you mean by that?
You really...
No, shut up.
No, you tell me to shut up. No, you tell me to shut up.
Because...
You tell me about shut up. And me no understand, me no overstand, and me no comprehend what you say to me right now. It's like...
Just because you never fall in love yet, you don't understand what me I go through. One day when I fall in love, you will understand. Because me feel like, say, me doing this, me feel like, say, me would get more attention from him. Me feel like he would come around me more. Me feel like saying would have did that for me. And would you know, make me being personal, make people know about me and then look at something there. Because remember saying they hide me even though I am my friend. And he say me all man talk to which me know. Like sometimes I know say I like material.
So that give you all right if you go take up your man something way in that way and put it upon you.
Brother.
You're sick.
No,
You need to go to hospital, man. Cause half you mad, you're mad. You're mad. Your symptoms start taking you now.
No, brother.
Half your symptoms start taking you.
I feel like saying would I love me more when we get
I
pregnant.
love. So I saw you well want love. I saw you well want love.
Me have to say to you is
why they say
might be you have to go talk to him and if he not listen what you say you have to go jape him or something or you have to do what you have to do.
So you want me G when me and him come from far in an argument because I just your foolishness what you gonna do make you want me and him in a problem or argument.
They just say you G.
Then now when me say me and him come from far yeah my sister but and I man hold it and put it and I man hold it.
Shut up.
No, you tell me about shut up. You tell me about shut up. I know me not get this. I know me not get this.
Listen to me. Me your sister, me your blood. And you have to always protect me. All if me wrong, you have to correct me behind doors. But you have to face up to people and say, listen to me. You have to go help out my sister and then look at something there. Bo friend. Our friend affect me. Me your sister.
Yeah, me your sister.
From birth
me know
till
say
now.
you're my sister. Yeah, me know say you're my sister. But listen. Come like, I'll know in a process. This no process in my brain, I'll know. Because Chaja.
Brother, you have to go do what you have to do that time.
You have to go do what me have to go do. Yeah, but you know say you're the fool, man.
So what you want to say?
No, you're full of attitude, you're full of this, you're full of that, and you're full of, you're just full of everything, man. You're just full of everything. You're full of everything. From what I mean, realize, you know, say me I talk to you, you know, telling, you want your own thing, and you see what you go do, your own thing, till you go breed your own self with the next man. Me I laugh, you take me for joke. You take me for joke. Then I man hold you down and put it on you so. And you go take up here and go breed yourself and now you can't tell me this
why different if
you want to put your stress on my brain if you go.
Why different if you can't don't leave us? Why different?
But in name boss. So no different in name boss. So no go use that no draw the card upon me. What if it the boss? No draw the card upon me in name boss. And you take it up and use it on yourself as the way you say. So what you can tell me
so
say no we are because you come like you not much sense man. You're senseless. You're senseless
so
man.
So you talk to him and you not talk to him?
I never say me not go talk to him. But you just make every day disappoint me. And then I say every day why? That's why I not make you have money. Because you don't know what to do with money when you have money because you not have much sense. Look what you go do. Oh, sir.
Brother, I never mean to do it. It's just
you never mean to do
it.
Attention with driving. So you go hang yourself for attention.
Never,
so me can
that.
No, listen. At that you should do.
What?
Yeah, me I tell you the truth. Because what you know? Why, I don't even know what to do.
So you don't have no sense. You know
yeah, tell me about me not have no sense. Shut your God. Why you come like say? And me get the worst family. It's a girl that's sick on me, man. No, sir.
Yo, Junko. You know I go on, dog. You object the brother. You object the come tell me, link more like I tell me be a foolish and me here's brother that you know why you my gibberish I tell me daddy. You tell me how him take up thing out of condom and use it and this and that and she knows what brother. Me have to wonder if he take man for some income put my friend. You don't know? But you can't give me a link still na dog. You see style? Yeah man, I'm on black dog, I'm on the front. See that's a link here that brother can check me.
Dog, I'm here say I go on in real life, cuz.
Good one.
No, with for my sister and for your thing. I'm here say I go on.
You mean you say I go on?
Brother, calm down no man. And if that me come here for you know, me come here for all a reason with you, know, my friend.
Brother, me no reason vibes right now, my friend. Believe, cause right now, Daddy, you see me rate you though. I'm not disrespect your family, but your sister idiot, you know, brother.
Brother, you know what it is?
Oh,
Me never disrespect nobody for you.
Oh, you said gotta give a foolness.
No, listen, you
brother,
never...
enjoy the line 10 times, man.
Bad man, I never that me come here for you know.
Alright, where's the
I never that me come here for still, you know.
Where's the one?
Never that me come here reason, me come here for reason, you come like
talk,
I corrupt you want that get me corrupt right now. It's like me no business what me want there.
Oh.
Me no business what me want there.
Get corrupt, then.
You see me?
Talk, man.
Watch you know, if I saw you I go move you, tell me pray you.
So you believe him?
Yeah, tell me about believe. Yeah, tell me about none of my sister, me not believe my sister.
Intel one say go on. Intel.
Brother, watch you know.
You believe that?
Sure you pray. No ask me if me believe that.
Yeah, let me have faith.
Ask me ask about pray what?
Like I used to try to take my food a little boy. That man try to tell him. She knows a chunk of me little piece of food.
You tell me about chunk. You think that is nothing, boy.
You're good, brother.
Chunk should not take everything and not give none. Other thing to do.
You're good, man.
You see how you too?
You're good, man.
Remember, you know, I realize from what day too, you know, I watch you on the stakes, you know.
I realize that
move right.
I realize
watch you not continue move the same way you move, man. Because you say anything, you look for you get it, man. Watch you man, just big up yourself. Yeah? That me I tell you, boy.
Big idiot, boy. Go on. Full of your sister.
Daddy.
Hello. Let me call about. I'm kind of well busy right now. I need to talk to my daughter. Let me call her back. This is very important. I will call her back. My daughter.
Yeah.
Ah boy. Father God. Why? You call me, so what you say now to the whole situation? What you say to yourself and to me? I'm here, I listen. You know have nothing to say? Me never can look in your face the way I'm disappointed. The way I'm shame, the way I'm grieve. A couple of days now, me not eat. Me not come soon on food. You know I'm disappointed in you? I'm talking to you, little girl. I'm talking to you. You make me shame in the community. Eh? Look at watch it. Eh? Look at your neighbor, them pass me and call to me. And they used to call to me because of what you do. Eh?
Daddy,
Miss Alice, me owe him over 5,000 down at the shop. I need some if you keep it. I'm finna come out on the conscious. Everything because of you know me disappointed and me shame. Eh? You done and my daughter already. Me can't worry about it. Cause me good already. Are you forward? Oh me go. Me just make you know. Me one ball cause me kinda ugly. But me just make you know you're my daughter save me. But I'm not. Me can't live with this. Me can't sit down in the town and come hug up you and tell people say you're my daughter. Oh no. You let me down. You let me down, Marika. Why make you do it, Marika? Tell me the truth now. Why you do it now, eh?
Daddy, me never mean to do it.
You never mean to do it, but you do it. Eh? And you can't say sorry now. Cause it done already. Eh? Look there now. Look there. Look all me Sharon a pass and call to we. No, because I want now, eh? Eh? Me no beard. A couple of days well no me no beard. Cause me frowns it, me can't face the bathroom. Because of what you do. Oh, you have to do that. Eh? Oh, you have to do that. Tell me the truth now. Eh? Eh? Jesus Christ.
Daddy, me kind of feel tired.
Galang. Me tired too. My brain tired. Me even if today I'm on the Tuesday or Wednesday. Eh? What a wicked girl. Go me try with the little girl, man. Eh? Eh? Jesus Christ, I'm a little girl. I'm wicked. Father God help me.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
She thought her man was something she owned, but nothing is ever what it seems. Remember, life is not a dream. He was drifting and she's trying to hold on. fear of losing him filled her mind till she crossed that line. A child can't keep a man from leaving. Love can't survive on beating. Forbidden love is a dangerous thing. Somebody always ends up feeling hurt, no matter how hard you try to make it work. What began in silence became clear. The future she imagined in her head is not the future ahead. Now she's looking at the life she made, wondering if the price was worth what she paid. Because a heart that's free will always roam, and love can't be built on a broken home. She wanted forever, she wanted a sign, but forever can't be forced by design. The harder she tried to control the tide, the more the dream slipped from her side. A child can't keep a man from leaving. Love can't survive on beating. Forbidden love is a dangerous thing. Somebody always ends up feeling hurt, no matter how hard you try to make it work. Forbidden love is a danger.